Hello, I'm Matt Swartz, Chief Psychology Officer at Recess, and I'll be walking you through how to complete your daily check-in with Recess. We'll also explain the data Recess gives you in the journey screen to measure your stress, productivity, and help you get into flow. You should have either already registered and started to use Recess, or you can watch the first video tutorial on how to register with the Recess app. If you're registered, signed in, and ready to use Recess, we'll start with your daily check-in. When you set the time for your daily recess when you register, it will send you a notification on your phone every day when it's time for your check-in. So open up the app and we'll get started. When you open the app, you'll see the home page. It's also the leftmost tab on the bottom navigation, and you'll see your name at the top and the words, "Let's get started." Immediately below, you'll see tiles with little flowers on them. If it's your first time on the app, you may see only one, but each day a new tile will appear. You can scroll right to see tiles from the previous days. If you click these tiles, you can see the past intentions and past flow sessions that you've completed using the app. If you want to build your productivity score, you'll want to check off these intentions you completed from the past days, either from this screen or when you do your daily check-in. The rest of the home page features the processing sessions that are available when you scroll down, including the mini session, the self-care session, as well as the 4 flow sessions: purpose, peace, presence, and potential. These sessions lead you straight to the processing. For now, let's start our check-in by clicking that lilac tile on the top that displays the date at the top and check in to start a great day at the bottom of the tile. When you do, a screen will display, "How are you today?" And a familiar voice will tell you that no matter what you're feeling, we're here to guide you back to flow. The first question we'll ask is how your stress level is today. On the extreme right is anxiety, in the middle is content, and on the far left is shut down. Position the slider wherever feels true for you today or in this moment. Next, if you've checked in before, a screen will display, "Have you achieved your goals today?" And the familiar voice will tell you you should be proud of the steps you've already taken and that we're excited for your growth. So the next screen then will ask if you've achieved your goals you set in the previous check-in. If it's your first time though, you won't see this screen. Select the goals you've completed and then click All Done. For everyone else, the next screen will say intentions help you to, and a familiar voice assures you that the small things add up and designing your life is within your reach. The next screen, titled Today's Intentions, will have a brief movie reminding you what intentions are. They are the small steps you believe you can accomplish to make progress on your goals today, and it will then prompt you to set your first intention. You can see at the bottom, what's your first intention? You click, and then you begin typing that intention. As you type, you'll be able to set your first intention. Once you enter that intention, it will ask you how challenging that intention feels. Left is very easy, right is difficult, so position the slider wherever feels true. Below that, it asks, do you feel able to finish your intention? Left being extremely incapable, the right being very capable. So again, pick what feels most true to you and select Done. If you would like, you may set up to 3 intentions a day. The more intentions and data you enter, the better Recess gets to know you. Once you've set your intentions, click Done. Recess will thank you for checking in and wish you a great rest of your day. Just click Thank You. Recess appreciates it when you're polite. From there, you'll automatically be taken to the Journey screen, which is a second screen from the left on the bottom app navigation, which compiles your data in Recess over time. At the top, you should see your name, and the text reminds you to monitor your journey towards your goals. In the journey data, with the purple background, you will see stress is automatically selected, and a bar graph will show you the stress from the past 2 weeks. Purple scores are above average, and red scores are below average. You can change to see ability scores, challenge scores, and overall productivity scores by selecting data on the 3rd line from the top of the journey graph. If you click on the bars on the graph, you can see the actual raw percentage scores above each bar. Below the graph, you'll see the date and your daily flow scores. The current state score will tell you which of the 8 potential states you fall into. We're trying to get you into flow, so congrats if you're already in there. The productivity score charts your productivity over time averaged out from your intentions. The stress level score indicates your average stress level from the last 2 weeks. Beneath this, the final thing you'll see is your daily recommended flow session based on your daily check-in for today. If you haven't completed your check-in, this area will prompt you to complete your check-in first before we can recommend a flow session. We hope this video gave you a great understanding of your homepage, your journey screen, and the process of daily check-ins. The next video will walk you through the recess flow sessions and how to process. Check it out. We hope you enjoy recess and it helps you reduce your stress and find flow state.